You got some veg oil with a little bit of gas mixed in it. I don't know the ratio. Don't be a dick about this. This is a standard cast iron pot from a gazillion years ago. And I'm just going to throw the brake rotor on top. I fumbled my way through plasma cutting holes in there. Is it enough? I don't know. Let's see. Let me set you guys up here. And so this just burns until it's gone. This isn't a drip feed or anything else at this point in time. So I'll get that going, and then I'll let you guys see the whole thing, and we'll see how she does. Last night it was really, really smoky. So. All right. I'm all cockeyed. Well, hopefully it doesn't matter too much. It is windy as fuck. I guess I should have tack welded that. Let me throw a tack on there. I'll be right back. Otherwise, it's going to keep falling off and being annoying. All right, so back to what I was saying. It's burning a lot cleaner than it was last night already. Once it all gets up to temp, I'm sitting 5 feet away from it and I can feel heat right now. So the ultimate idea is to put some kind of configuration of this in a 50-gallon drum and put another 50-gallon drum on top of it to make a double barrel stove and burn oil in it and blow heat on me. But since it's March, I don't really care. Oh, by the way, it's New Belgium, 1554. No idea what happened in 1554, but I hope they made good beer. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. So that's pretty good. Not as bad as it was last night. Last night it was rolling like a freight train. And fun fact, you can light it with a torch. So some guys will put like a rebreather. Just doing a more thorough burn. I got it to go a little bit. Last night it would shoot like the refinery. So again, not too shabby. Let me create myself a table here for my beer, and we can sit and pontificate. So, if you didn't know, these are called smudge pots, and some people call them salamanders. And they were for heating areas outdoors. They typically have louvers down here, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, pretty cool way to get rid of waste oil. Like I said, eventually I'll bring a pipe in the side and an oil drip and probably a forge blower or something. Put the whole deal in a 55-gallon drum. But it's March right now, so it's kind of hard to motivate me to care to do all this or to want to give up space in my shop right now. But fun little project. And I guess I'll take the opportunity to touch on like why I've been doing less YouTube, why the Facebook group is gone. If you stayed this long in the video, you probably care. So I guess you could say I owe you that. I don't disagree. So for me, social media got to be like a job. Like I started doing this stuff to just share with people that you don't have to have the best of everything to have a good time, that there's alternative methods, that a modest guy with a modest income can still have fun, even if he doesn't have tons and 40s or compound turbos or, you know, a high dollar 440 or whatever, right? A fancy heater, a zillion dollars for jack stands, a 6.2, a T56, you know, that you can still have fun with just a 6.0 and just the AR5 and make your own jack stands if you find that amusing. And for years it was like that, and then things got big and it got a little out of control, and it's not what I want to do. Like, to reiterate, this is not my job. Like, I have a good job and I'm as happy as a guy can be at a job. So I'm going to keep doing that job. I'm not going to make this my day job. And when I feel like I have to get a video out or I have to respond to somebody else's comment or I have to do this, or then it becomes work and my projects become not fun. You know, and that's not where I want to be. So I took a step back from that. Also, we're going to Florida in like 2 weeks, and we're going to be there for 2 weeks, or there and on the way for 2 weeks. So I'm saving a little money for that. I want to get a front clip for Marv, maybe a bed, see what else we can do. So yeah, for me, it made sense to step back and enjoy a beer and a piece of garbage eater and take a little time to reflect on what I'm doing, right? And a little time to enjoy my life. Because I have a good life. I have a good wife. I have a good home. I have a good family. Like, I'm happy, so I should be happy. So anyway, let that thing go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope I'll see you next time, whenever that is, on the Driveway Engineer. Thanks for watching.